Welcome to the session on Bharat Ayat Niryat Lab Setu, a groundbreaking initiative by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade under India's Ministry of Commerce and Industry. As global trade evolves towards digital, interoperable platforms, India is investing in world-class infrastructure to empower exporters, importers, and MSMEs. Today, we'll explore the Lab Setu project, its ambitions, practical benefits, and what it means for Indian trade. In this video, we will cover its background, features, benefits, impact, and future directions of the initiative with practical examples and commentary for trade professionals and exporters. Historically, India's trade ecosystem has faced challenges around documentation, compliance, and speed of operations, especially for MSMEs trying to access global markets. Government reforms like Bharat Trade Net, ULIP, and now Lab Setu are designed to unify digital trade infrastructure, reduce paperwork, and bring Indian trade in line with international standards for electronic records and rapid remittance. Bharat Trade Net or BTN aims to streamline trade processes, making it simpler for companies, especially small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs, to engage in global commerce. Whereas Unified Logistics Interface Platform or ULIP is a digital gateway that allows industry players to access logistics-related datasets from various government systems through API-based integration. Lab Setu stands for being the bridge connecting export and import operations through seamless digital processes. This aligns with the larger Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India agenda and the goal to make India a hub for resilient global supply chains. Key features of Bharat Ayat Niryat Lab Setu. Let's break down the core features. Unified digital platform. Lab Setu offers a consolidated interface for exporters and importers, integrating customs, compliance, logistics and payments into seamless digital workflows. Paperless trade. Electronic documentation and stampings ensure faster processing and enable global legal recognition, which means Indian exporters can transact with international buyers more efficiently. Interoperability. The platform is interoperable with banking, customs and logistics, IT systems, making supply chain tracking and compliance much smoother. MSME support. Tailored modules help MSMEs with onboarding, documentation guidance, post-export remittance tracking, and access to export financing. Benefits to trade professionals and MSMEs. What's the practical payoff? Reduced compliance cost. By digitizing paperwork and enabling automated validations, Lab Setu will lower compliance time and cost. Faster remittance. The platform tracks post-export payments, reducing the waiting period and ensuring exporters get their money faster. Global market access. Electronic records that meet international standards mean easier acceptance of Indian goods and documentation worldwide. Financing and incentive integration. MSMEs can access government incentives such as RODTEP and apply for trade finance using verified digital documents. How it works? Practical example. Imagine you are an MSME exporter sending engineering products to Germany. With Lab Setu, you generate, validate, and digitally submit all export documentation, shipping bills, invoices, certificate of origin. Customs clearance is expedited with pre-verified documents, and payment tracking is enabled through real-time integration with banks. If you are eligible for incentives like RODTEP or interest equalization, Lab Setu automatically calculates and supports digital claim submission. Impact on India's export-import ecosystem. Lab Setu is more than just a digital tool, it is a part of a holistic digital compliance strategy by the Indian government. This means a level playing field for MSMEs and large corporates, improved supply chain resilience for international buyers choosing India, enhanced visibility and analytics for policymakers and trade professionals, support for India's goal of $1 trillion exports for the financial year 2025-26 with increased global competitiveness. Challenges and future directions. Of course, Lab Setu faces the challenge of widespread adoption, system integration, and continuous updating to keep up with global requirements. The government is addressing these by stakeholder consultations, training, and interoperability pilots with major banks and logistics providers. Looking forward, Bharat Ayat Niryat Lab Setu will likely integrate features for advanced analytics, AI-driven trade risk assessment, dynamic policy updates, and stronger global partnerships. To conclude, Bharat Ayat Niryat Lab Setu is a signature step towards a future-proof Indian trade landscape. Whether you're an MSME, a trade consultant, or a corporate exporter, the platform aims to simplify documentation, speed up processing, and connect you with global opportunities. Thank you for joining this deep dive on Lab Setu, the bridge to a digital, competitive, and empowered trade ecosystem for India. To view more such insightful videos, interesting facts, and regular updates on trade finance, subscribe to our channel and share with others.